Welcome to my review of the new Roku Premiere. Before we get started, I want to ask you to please click the like and subscribe buttons below, as it really does help the channel out. Now, without further ado, let's get into this review. Let's start out with the setup process. The unit itself is very small and easily installed. It comes with an adhesive strip so you can easily stick it to a convenient location that will be visible to the remote. This is important as this version of the Roku remote uses an infrared sensor instead of the more traditional radio-based version. But anyway, the setup is very easy, and all you have to do is connect the included micro USB port to your TV or to the external power adapter and use the rather short included HDMI cable to connect it to your TV. There is no Ethernet jack on this version, so you do have to use Wi-Fi. Once everything is all plugged in, all you have to do is turn on your TV and go through the setup process. This is done by first connecting to your Wi-Fi network and then completing the setup on your phone by following the on-screen prompts. It asks for some basic information during the setup and then puts you in a screen where it makes you think you have to put a credit card in. However, you can easily back out of this if you don't want to give your personal information out. The setup then asks you what apps you use and automatically installs them for you on your Roku. The loading screen while doing this does have some rather funny descriptions of what it is doing, which I thought was nice, and the whole process only takes a couple of minutes to complete. Once this is complete, it shows you the video outlining what you can do with your new Roku. I would point out that this video is generic and makes references to features that not all Rokus have, such as a headphone jack on the remote, which this version lacks. It does do a pretty good job of giving you an overview though. The setup then continues with it automatically detecting and configuring itself for your TV right out of the box. It picked up my TV with no problems and even was able to control it over HDMI. It's capable of outputting a 4K HDR signal that right out of the box is quite good on this TV, which you can see in the full review of here. This speed and functionality are especially good when accounting for the small size and $25 price. The remote comes pre-configured with dedicated buttons for Disney+, Sling, Hulu, and Netflix. However, I wish these were remappable, as I only use 2 of these services, so these other buttons are now completely useless to me. I understand why they went this way, but it probably is part of some marketing deal. I just wish that they had put the feature to remap them in for those of us who want it. It also has built-in Alexa integration, which is really nice, especially if you don't have a smart TV that already has this feature. If anything else goes wrong on the unit, you can always fully reset it back to normal by using the small reset switch on the back of the device. Overall, I would highly recommend this product if you are trying to add smart TV functionality to an older TV that does not already have these features included. However, with more budget TVs including the smart TV features, and some of them even including Rokus themselves, it may not be necessary for everyone out there to get one. Thank you for watching, and feel free to support this channel by liking and subscribing for more videos in the future.